Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Colors in Life. Today's video is about creating this beautiful cozy corner. So let's start with the makeover. This is how the corner looks now. There is just one chair and few mattresses stacked up. So first very important step, cleaning the corner. I designed the corner on paper first so that I will have idea about how it will look in the end and decide the placing of all the DIYs and other things which I wanted to arrange there. So let's start with DIYs. For the first DIY, I am drawing a flower on paper sheet and then cut it out. So I made few of such flower cutouts. Then I am again cutting each flower in these shapes. Now sticking this double-sided tape on back of the paper cutout. Then sticking the cutout on the wall. This is how it's looking after sticking all the flowers. Isn't it looking beautiful? For the second DIY, I am taking some pine cone flower and agarbatti stick and sticking both with hot glue gun. Hold it for some time till it properly dries. Now I have 6 of such sticks. Now I am placing this in a wine bottle. And here is the outcome of my second DIY. For third DIY, I downloaded some wallpapers from Pinterest and printed it out. Cutting the edges of printout. Now sticking the same double-sided tape and placing it on the wall. Few of this wallpaper were selected by me and few by my husband. This wall is definitely going to motivate and inspire us. For fourth DIY, I got this wooden fruit box from a local fruit stall and he was kind enough to give this me for free. Now cleaning the box and smoothing it out with a sandpaper. For painting this box, I got this PU polish from a hardware store. Painting this box with a cotton cloth. If you guys are trying this DIY, make sure that you wear hand gloves while coloring because it was difficult to remove the paint from the hand. Let it dry for 3-4 hours. So with this all my DIYs are completed. So it's time to set up the corner. Hang this beautiful cage on a curtain rod. This I got from Chumbak. Now putting fairy lights around the wall art. arranging the wooden side table, keeping pine cone flower vase, few decorative items, candle, books, and finally a money plant to complete the look. For sitting arrangement, I use this rug which I already had and few cushions and plant. And now the before and after look. And here I am, enjoying my cozy corner while working and relaxing. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment.